Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Brainstorming.
I thought you were doing stuff out here.
I am. I'm brainstorming.
What exactly are you brainstorming?
How the f we're gonna fit everything back here.
Babe, you ready for today?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yep. Just printing out contracts. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Name that. It's not a movie. It's a TV show.
I don't know.
It's f***ing SpongeBob.
I never watched SpongeBob as a kid. Bye, buddy. We'll be back soon. So this morning we are on our way to southern Idaho to pick up a little something that has been in the works for a little while. And you guys are about to find out what. It's going to be something that we're going to be using the rest of the summer. We're going to have some more adventure type videos and some new content that you guys probably haven't seen before, but we're super excited for. And we have about a 3-hour drive ahead of us, so we have to get on the road because we're meeting at noon and it is currently like 9:05. So hop to it, babe. Come on, we gotta go. We are on our way now to go get this little surprise. Oh my gosh.
This is not a good road for that. There it is!
Are you excited?
Are you excited?
Yes.
Cool. Let's check it out. Our truck's dirty. We need to wash our truck for this video.
Oh my god. It's even cooler in person. I cannot handle it. This thing is legit.
Weld quality's pretty good.
So this is gonna be our new adventure for the summer.
Look at this like attention to detail piece of foam here so that this doesn't rattle against the...
We're gonna give you guys a whole big walk around after we are done being awestruck by it. But yeah, so this, if you haven't noticed, is a trail trailer. So our plan for the summer is to go out with our Can-Am, tow this behind it, obviously, and go on legit camping trips. This thing is gonna be so awesome. I can't wait to show you guys all the details. Super stoked. I'm like so stoked. Ah! Are you excited?
I'm excited.
I don't think you're as excited as I am.
It's pretty nice.
It's like legit, you guys. This thing is gonna be so much fun. I cannot even wait.
I'm excited to get it back and put the off-road wheels on it.
Yeah.
Get the street tires off of it.
Yeah.
Shout out to TrailTrailer for making this happen.
TrailTrailer came through and we are so excited to try it out. But we had to stop and we took a quick look around it and everything, and oh, you guys, I'm so excited to show you some of the things that are on it. We don't have a tent or anything like that yet, so hey, we were just at Walmart. Maybe we should go back and get a tent so we can try it out this weekend.
I don't know if we'll be trying it out this weekend. We got some garage modifications to do before we can try anything out.
I think it'll be fine.
I think I'm gonna have to tear my shelves out and rebuild them.
But one of the cool features of this thing is that everything is modular, so everything can be like taken off.
Unbolted.
Yeah, you can take it off and like redesign it like how you want. Like they have a bunch of different options like on their website how you set it up basically, because it starts out as like a flatbed trailer and then you can add on things from there. So that's a cool little feature. Look at it back there.
It's so cute.
It's so cute and little. Alright, so we finally got it home, but now we need to, Cam is actually working on changing the tires from the street tires.
Modifying it already.
From the street tires to the off-road tires.
I'm putting spacers on.
But yeah, we had these extra spacers and apparently we're putting them on. I told him that we should measure it first to make sure it's gonna fit in the garage.
Too late.
He apparently didn't want to listen to me. Obviously this isn't what these little stabilizer things were designed for, but they kind of work as jacks also. The most crucial dimension is the width, obviously. And this thing is 59.5 inches, and the garage door
is 63.
is 63.
Well, 62 and a half. 62 and a half.
Plenty of room. It'll be fine.
So we got like 2.5 inches.
But then also, these bars that stick out like right here though, are you saying that they're gonna hit the wall?
So it's 66 inches tall.
And the bed, what is that, 65 and 3/4?
65 and, yeah, 65 and a half. So we're gonna have to let a little air out of the tires. I mean, we could raise our bed, but we don't want to have to do that. So probably just let some air out of the tires.
I mean, that's probably gonna be easier.
But actually,
I mean, we could lift the bed.
But actually, this bar is even lower than that. So if we measure to this bar, we're 64 and a quarter. So we have to lose 2 inches.
Or we just take the towers off. Well, I mean, that's kind
We
of
have to do that because of this section right here.
because of the ends that stick out
Yeah.
on the towers. Which, I mean, I was kind of anticipating if anything, we were going to have to take off the towers, but that's 4 bolts. So, 8 bolts, sorry.
The other measurement we're worried about, which we know we're going to have to change stuff in the garage because of, is the measurement from the front of the fenders to the back of the trailer here. 58. So we need 58 inches of clearance to our shelf. And we have 42.
So we got to lose a foot on the shelf?
To right about there.
That's not bad.
We got to clear this side out that far also.
Which we knew we were going to have to do anyway, but we wanted the trailer here to get like exact measurements before we started tearing apart everything and then having to probably redo it once we got the trailer.
So let's get overall length. Is that all the way to the front of it?
Yep.
Very front of it?
Yep.
Basically 112.
So we're going to have to take off
How deep is this?
at least this section. I thought like 90 something.
Yeah, we're at like 115. But wow, with the door shut, like probably 114.
So we're going to have to just take off
The tongue, yeah.
the tongue.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, you're just holding the brake. Look at that independent suspension doing work. We just wanted to flip it around so we can play with the awning thing. Because it was next to the jet ski trailer.
Ooh,
So.
this is perfect. Where's the take the pictures with the sun flare and everything?
Take the pictures. even do it. I cannot even. Look at how perfect he fits in there. Ruben, you're so cute. He's like, okay, I'm ready to go for a ride now. Okay, guys, come on. Let's go. I'm ready to go now. I cannot. It's just so perfect. You know, looking at this, I think it's almost big enough for me to just like claim this as like my bed when we go camping. We don't even need a tent.
All right, let's see it.
Oh, you want me to crawl in there?
Yeah, do it.
Yup. I could make this work. This isn't so bad. Oh, are you gonna put the cover on? Oh god.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
No, I'm scared of the dark.
Bye-bye.
It's dark in here.
Hello.
Hello.
What did we do today?
We got this really awesome thing called a TrailTrailer that we're gonna take on camping trips with us, like real camping trips, like out in the middle of nowhere with the Can-Am and Ruben for like a weekend, and I am so excited.